Welcome back to Learning with Our Difference. Thought of the day for School Morning Assembly. Swami Vivekanand said that in a day, when you don't come across any problems, you can be sure that you are traveling in a wrong path. That means Swami Vivekanand said that in our everyday life, we spend time and energy to attain perfection. Since morning till night, we expect our day to be problem free, and when it's not, we get so much depressed or sometimes frustrated. We demand perfect things, perfect job, perfect life. Swamiji knew that problems or hard times stimulate growth in a way that good times don't. Problems are important part of life that gives us experience, make us learn and help us to become wiser and stronger. They are the chance for growth, dear friends. Remember that as we face problems, we become more stronger. So expect and appreciate problems in this life. Thank you.